muscle, forcing, bursting, stingy thingy into little me. But just ripple, said the cripple, as my jaw dropped to the ground. Smile, smile, it's true, I always wanted love to be hurtful. And it's true, I always wanted love to be filled with pain. And bruises. Yes, so crippled, Big was happy. Screamed, I just completely love you. There's no rhyme or reason, I'm changing like the seasons. Watch, I'll even cut off my finger. It'll grow back like a starfish. It'll grow back like a starfish. It'll grow back like a starfish. Mr. Muscle, gazing boredly, anti-checking time did punch me, and I silently did like a windfall, happy bleeding, happy bruising. I'm very happy, so please hate me. I'm very, very happy, so please hurt me. I'm very happy, so please hit me. I'm very, very happy, so come on, hurt me. I'll grow back like a starfish. 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 I'll grow back like a starfish.